In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a pie chart in Microsoft Excel step by step. The first thing you need to do is organize your source data properly. Pie charts in Excel work best when you have only one data series arranged in a single column or row. You should also include category names in the first column or row because these will appear in your chart legend or data labels. Make sure all your data values are greater than 0, there are no empty rows or columns, and try to limit the number of categories to around 7 to 9 to keep the chart easy to read. Once your data is ready, select the range and go to the Insert tab. In the Charts group, click the pie chart icon and choose the type of pie chart you want. The most common option is the 2D pie chart, but Excel also offers 3D pie charts, pie of pie or bar of pie charts, and even donut charts. Selecting a chart automatically inserts it into your worksheet. After your pie chart appears, you can customize its style by going to the Design tab. Here, you can choose different chart styles, adjust colors, add a chart title, and include data labels to make the chart more informative and visually appealing. For 3D pie charts, you can also adjust rotation and perspective to give your chart a more dynamic look. Creating pie charts in Excel is a quick way to visualize proportions and compare categories at a glance. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other Excel tutorials for more tips on making charts and graphs.